Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Instagram video selfie verification error. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So we have three solutions for you, so let's go ahead and go over to our first fix here. So the first fix is for you to actually use a different device and completing your verification process or video selfie verification on your Instagram account. So if it's not working on your mobile device here, make sure to use another device first and see if that works. But if that doesn't work, we have our second solution first. So this is actually a second solution if you don't want to do the first one. Here you want to hold and click on Instagram, and here go to app info, and from here you want to scroll down a bit, and here you want to click on the clear data option there and just click on clear all data. So what it's gonna do is actually gonna clear all of our data on Instagram, all of the stored information there. So you just need to re-log in again and try if the video selfie verification error is no longer there. But if that doesn't work and the first one doesn't work, we have the third solution, which is actually contacting Instagram support. So for you to actually contact Instagram support, just want to go here on your screen here. Just click on the G bar icon at the top right. And here you want to go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the section that says help. And from here you want to click on the report a problem option there and make sure the shake phone to report a problem option is enabled. So once you've gone into the selfie verification process and you receive that error, you want to shake your phone. So once you shake your phone, you will see this pop up here that says did something go wrong, and here just click on report a problem. And from here, just click on include and continue, and just explain here that the verification process is error on your side. Just make sure to explain it properly that you're unable to verify your account via the selfie verification, and just click on the send button at the top right corner, and that's basically it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.